Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So Capricorn, it's Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Queen of Wands, the Lovers, and King of Swords under the deck, and Six of Cups. So, what I am getting here, you are taking your control back. You are focusing more on yourself than your person. And you are very straightforwarded in nature and very honest person, Capricorn. And there is love, but it is about more physical than emotional. Maybe you are more emotional towards your person, but they are not. But you are thinking about them a lot. And patience, maybe patience is the key in this relationship. You want to restore the balance within yourself, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini or Sagittarius especially, and lot of earth energy is here. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, the person involved in this connection could be. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Hangman, Two of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. So in recent past, you are confused, you feel stuck, and you are juggled. I think there is no clarity in recent past. Yeah, there is love. There is mutual love between you and your person, but there is no clarity. Maybe they are always in and out of your life and they are not available to you, need them. So when you need them emotionally, they are not available. And there is no constant communication between you and your person for some. Then present Queen of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and Five of Swords. Yeah, lot of arguments, lot of disturbances between you and your person. Maybe they backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. For some third party involved in this connection, maybe family, friends, or other men or other women could be the issue here. You are waiting for your turn. Yes, you are waiting for your turn. Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things will turn into your favor. And you are taking your control back and you are setting boundaries to your person. Yes. You deserve best and you want best, Capricorn. Then future, Five of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. You only the person always taking care of this relationship no matter what happened. So they always ignore you, they are always rejecting you, they are always neglecting you because Five of Pentacles, cold shouldering. And they always keep putting you in waiting mode, Seven of Pentacles. You fed up with this energy. And you started focusing on your career. Yes, you want to focusing on your abundance. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Page of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and Nine of Wands. Right now your person is guarded up, but they want some positive growth in this relationship. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, and they want to communicate with you, they want to text you or message you. So let's see their current feelings. Capricorn, your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Waiting, they are waiting. Yeah, for some maybe your person is a manipulator. For some they are doing manifestation techniques to manifest you back again in their life. Yeah, for some, you walked away from this connection. Maybe they walked away, but now I think they are not expressing their feelings, even though they have feelings for you, Capricorn. Four of Pentacles, they are having hard time to express their feelings and they're suffering in silence. Five of Pentacles is here. Yeah, they're very tired and but still they're waiting on you. So let's see their intentions. Then also we will get more clarity. Yeah, Five of Swords came twice in this reading. High Priestess with, yeah, Queen of Wands with Death. Yes, they want rebirth in this connection because they do love you. The Lovers card is here. And yeah, they still have hopes on this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Again, Six of Cups. You also thinking about them and they also thinking about you. And yeah, there are some arguments, issues between you and your person, but they started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition, and at the same time Queen of Wands, so they're willing to take action very soon. Yeah, right now they are waiting for right time to approach you. Queen of Wands, yeah, definitely they want to make action. For some, your person is very dominative in nature, very aggressive, but there is love, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini especially. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Ten of Cups with Chariot. Yes, they want, if you are in separation with this person, they want reconciliation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So, but there is slow moving energy because right now they're missing you so much. For some, they're scared for rejection also. Yeah, I think you both are on the same page, mirroring each other a lot. And you are also fed up with this energy. You are also tired and you want clarity from your person. And yes, you do love this person still. Yes, you want this person back, but you want clarity because Ace of Swords. Otherwise, if there is no clarity, you're ready to cut off this person from your life because you're tired and you drain. Your energy is totally drained. And a lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini or Cancer. So let's see mutual. Okay, Page of Cups. So if they did hurt you in past, they want to say apology to you. For some, children's also involved in this connection. And yeah, you both thinking about each other a lot. For some, there will be reconciliation for sure because you both have strong soulmate connection, high level soulmate connection. And here temperance, patience is the key. At the same time, here one red flag, you both have to be patient because if the circumstances are not under your control, you both have to be patient because you both right now missing each other. But for some, there will be reconciliation, there will be some text communication. If they did hurt you, they will text you, they will say apology, or they will keep tabs on you. Let's see the messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. Friendship, for some your person putting in friendship zone, for some you both are very good friends. Religious factors, I want to express my love. You are pure perfection and I always thinking about you. I'm serious about you. So the messages are friendship, religious factors, I want to express my love. You are pure perfection and always thinking about you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, Capricorn. A time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo energy. So the particular one person in this connection who is always taking but not giving in return, this is the message for them. So this is the time to give, not to take. So let's see another message. The energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon. So yes, there will be some momentum Maybe you're not seeing right now, it is in 3D. Definitely the energy is gaining momentum. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.